Yo, this Steph got a 335. What the Yo, I said it was a beamer. I said it was. Alright, yeah. Yikes.
Bruh.
Yo, nah.
You gotta feel for it, bro. You dropping that joint. I told you, sucker is high, man.
Hey!
What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. And today, there's not really like a major task. It's just more of a vlog. We're just basically gonna do pick up some stuff. I gotta pick up some tires from the previous owner of the car. After that, we're gonna go and bring the 335 to a friend of mine who doesn't even know I have a BMW. He didn't expect me of getting a BMW, so it's kind of a surprise. And I just want to see his reaction towards the car. And yeah, so that's how we're gonna start. So obviously, I'm not in the 335 right now. I'm in the Volkswagen because those tires, they're gonna be put in the back, and you know I have a hatchback, obviously, so I'm just gonna fold the seats and throw them in the back there. Before we start, guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for subscribing and supporting the channel. Let's get. So since I bought the 335, I've been driving it all week and as a manual, and it was really fun, but the traffic was a pain. So the fact that the fact that I'm driving the GTI today, and it's a DSG, so it's pretty much automatic. And so the fact that I'm driving this, you know, it makes a huge difference in my experience, mainly because I feel a little bit more comfortable driving. The manual is way more fun, don't get me wrong, but like right now I'm on 78, so if anybody drives on 78, especially in the morning, bruh, traffic is retarded, bro. And then you have a different type of drivers. You have, like, you know, drivers are in a hurry, so they're speeding. You know, you got drivers who have nowhere to go, and sometimes I question why they're even on the road. You know what I mean? They just drive so slow, like way below the speed limit. You know what I mean? And then you have a couple, like, you know, reckless drivers, a couple guys that are not paying attention. So you gotta pay attention. You gotta be aware of what's going on, because sometimes if you don't pay attention, you know, you might end up in an accident because of their negligence. So leave a comment down below which one you guys prefer. Do you prefer to daily drive only a manual, or you daily drive like a automatic or a DSG or anything like that? For me personally, I prefer to have a little bit of both. I like to drive my DSG, the GTI, a lot more often because, like I said, especially in Atlanta, traffic is crazy, all kind of crap going on. But at the same time, I do enjoy driving a manual, especially when I'm in the back roads. You know, sometimes when the highway is nice and open, you know, I have my fun, but I'm the type of guy where I prefer both. I think both are great, especially today where automatics are, they're better than they were before. You know, a lot of these sports automatics, DSG, SMG, the ZFs, you name it, these transmissions actually holding their own right now, and they're pretty quick and they're pretty fun, you know what I'm saying? So don't sleep on them. But I will admit though, old-fashioned manual, that shit will always put a smile on your face. So I just picked up the parts. So he gave me some side mirrors, and these are pretty cool. These are actually a lot cleaner than the original one. I mean, the one that's on the car. So he gave me these, so I might even paint the cover just like I did the Volkswagen. I don't know what color I would paint with the BIMMER, maybe matching color, maybe something a little different, I don't know. But I'm gonna do that. These tires, these are two rear tires, two 85s, and they look really meaty. These are Achilles, by the way. But so we got these ready. Like I said, super easy to put them in the back. Now on our way, heading back home, and then we're gonna go ahead and start that BIMMER. Alright, so I'm finally home from that long ass traffic. Now I gotta make another long trip to surprise this clown with this car. So, let's see. Let's see if it starts. Woo, nice and healthy. So I'm in the 335 and I'm on my way to see my buddy JG so I can show him the car. Like I said, he doesn't know about the car yet, so I'm super excited to show it to him. And like I mentioned earlier about the traffic, one thing I like about driving a manual on the back roads especially is that there's not much traffic going on, and at the same time you can enjoy the corners and everything. So you know, that's the cool thing about driving in the back roads, especially like in the middle of the day where there's not much people. But yeah, so anyways, I'm on my way there right now. We'll see how JG thinks about the car.
Yo, this Steph got a 335. What the fuck? Yo, I said it was a Beamer. I said it was. He was like, nah, this nigga afraid of the fucking Beamer.
Yeah, I did that. I told him, nah. He's like,
bro, what the fuck, this man?
He said, what, he got an Audi? I was like, nah, I don't know. You'll see what he got. You see what he got. He's like, I bet you it's a Beamer. I was like, you know he's scared of Beamers, right?
Hey, listen, both of y'all take y'all time because that car is still slow. Although I love it, it's still slow.
Oh, I mean, I can see that, the U46. Hey, bro. What's up, man? Welcome back, bro.
I was telling him how Nick was looking for him.
Yeah.
And we was like, yo, y'all ever heard of Jonathan when he at? We was like, yeah, he died. The nigga
all right.
Man, fell off a cliff, man.
I just be out. I just be doing shit.
Yeah, I feel you. Everybody busy, bro. But this is it, bro. This is it. I just, I'm still getting used to it right now, but yep, 335.
That thing up. Woo! I'm gonna bet the G-Tag dusty.
Yes. Yes, it was. It was dusty. Yeah, it was dusty.
You didn't even disagree with that.
It is dirty because I spent time cleaning it up, especially with the other issue we found when we got the car. I made sure I cleaned it up and everything. And I've been driving it, trying to get used to the clutch. That's it. So, yeah. Go in, man. Hop on in, bro. Yeah, man.
Oh,
yeah, the clutch is heavy, bro. It's very sensitive. You can hear it.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Nah, nice. What the?
Try out the exhaust a little bit.
Alright, yeah.
Very touchy.
This man, Steph. Hey. Look at Mr. Wattis Media got this. Bombard! Hey! Yes, sir! Watch it!
I can smell the tires already.
Hell yeah.
Rubbing. That shit rubbing so hard right now.
Yeah, getting used to the clutch.
Yeah, that shit rubbing like a mother.
Yikes! Fuck.
Bruh.
Yup, nah.
You got a feel for it, bro. You jump in that joint. I told you, your sucker is high, man.
Yeah.
You
Because it does it has the same bite point as mine. It's all the way high up on the fucking.
Yeah, and when it gets there, there's no like how should I say this? There's no like room for error.
Yeah.
It's either engage or not. You know, it just bites and it bites quick. So I was gonna say, yeah, when you found it, you let that sucker go. When that sucker just start scratching, rubbing.
Yeesh.
Yeah, man, just let the bad boy cool down, bro. Them tires are shot though. Goddamn, bro, put that shit in neutral. You stole my joint. How you like it so far?
No, I fucking love it.
Yeah. Trying to find it?
Yeah.
There you go. It says pulling.
Okay, there it is.
Yeah, you just gotta get used to it. That's all. It takes practice.
Yeah, because that's a heavy ass clutch.
I don't know. Look at that. Look at that. It's literally stripping into the tires. Yeah.
Sooner than later, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take care of that. I didn't want to. I might probably just try to stiffen it up first. You say you can stiffen it up. Didn't want to raise it up.
If you raise it up, look, if you stiffen it, you lose traction.
Yeah, that's true.
Because the car gains traction when it squats.
Yeah. That's what happens when you get a wide ass tires, guys. So I'll probably just either camber that bitch in or something. Oh, by the way, let me show you something real quick. You see this right here? I'm ready for them dudes, bro. No, it's half tank.
It's half tank.
Yeah, but no, half E, half 95. I mean 93. So when it's empty, I'm gonna go full 85. This sucker is wild. Glad you enjoy it, bro. Just saying. Official now. We the BIMMER boys, bro.
We are. That's fact.
BIMMER boys.
We are.
Yeah.
No one listened to me. I had it for years.
This guy. Trust me. You remember before that car, you were thinking of getting another car. Yeah, it was an Audi. Yeah, you're willing to step into my realm. You're willing to step into my realm. So come on. All right, bro. Well, I'm about to close this video. What do you think about the car? One last take, bro.
What the fuck? For the family at home.
Yes.
You don't have to bleep that.
Nah, you know I'll bleep it.
I mean,
But I get the point.
I mean, they
I get it. You're impressed. You appreciate it.
yeah, very impressed. I love it.
Yeah, can't wait. And we have a lot of potential with this car, so I'm just gonna get used to it. But
Yep.
I'm glad you enjoy it, bro. Obviously, bro. This is one more take from you. What do you think, bro?
This car is fantastic. I've been telling people every day, yo, 335. Y'all see my car on that damn channel. Come on, stop playing with me.
Bro,
They got the new car.
Whoa, they don't know about that.
Chill out. For his sake, it is a sense of a bias, but I still take his opinion because he experienced what, 3 BIMMERs now? 4 BMWs. This is my first. This is what, your second?
Fourth one, yeah.
This is your second BMW?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we might have something to learn from this guy. But he's biased as hell though.
You biased at what?
You have 4 BIMMERs, bro. You biased, trust me.
Biased isn't what?
You gonna say
I can tell you all the heartaches and agree with you.
And you still gonna say it's the greatest car they ever made.
You know what? Let it speak to yourself. Go ahead. I'm not even gonna say nothing.
No?
You tell me. He like Benz. Guess what he has?
Toyota.
Toyota. Oh.
Just,
he's a Benz guy.
yeah.
And it just changed his whole religion.
Nah, I mean, I'll have a perspective.
You're not lying.
Nah, I'm gonna have a perspective with this car, but nah, I'll probably stick to Volkswagen for long term. That's just me. But yeah, bro. Y'all see the shadows, bro? We out here, bro. Anyways, bro, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.
Although it's a Band-Aid on the
Peace. Ew, that is a Band-Aid. You can zoom in there.
Me scabs.